In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or add a background in a meeting on Google Sheets. If you've ever joined a quick call right from a spreadsheet and wished your surroundings looked a little more polished, this is for you. We'll start in Google, hop into Sheets, launch a meeting, and choose a background, all without leaving your document. Open your web browser and head to Google. Make sure you're signed in so your apps are available. At the top right, click the 9-dot grid to open the app launcher, then choose Sheets. When Sheets loads, open the spreadsheet you want to work in. If you have many files, the search bar can help you find it fast. With the document open, look to the upper right of the window for the small video camera icon, the built-in Google Meet shortcut. Click it, then select Start a new meeting to launch Meet from your sheet. Inside the meeting, find the three dots labeled More Options, usually along the bottom of the controls, and click them. From the menu, choose Background and Effects. In some versions, this may appear as Apply Visual Effects. It's the same place. A panel opens with choices like Gentle Blur, Strong Blur, and a set of preset images and subtle effects. Click the background you like. It applies instantly so you can preview the result. For busy spaces, blur is a quick, professional fix. Good. Even lighting makes any effect look better, so face a window or a soft lamp. If your computer feels sluggish, pick simpler effects, as heavier visuals can use more processing power. When you're happy, close the panel. Your background stays on while you're in the meeting, and only your video changes. Nothing in the spreadsheet is affected. You started in Sheets, launched a meeting, opened background controls, and chose the look that suits you. That's the process for changing or adding a background in a meeting on Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more polished presence in your next call.